one biggest challenge of the UPSC preparation, like you started answering that it is just another exam, which is quite an agreeable aspect. But one thing that I believe sets apart the civil services examination from the other is to remain in that high focus zone for a long stretch of time. And as you very rightly mentioned, the humongous content that you have to master at. At times, people, despite the deservingness that they feel they have, don't get the desired success, and the failure comes, and that is where the stress management becomes an important element of the preparation. uh, have you had your phases wherein you felt it is getting a little too much to handle, and if at all, how did you come out of it and maintain that inertia of preparation?
Yes, sir, definitely. I think it happens with everyone. There is stress, there is uncertainty, and you do not sometimes know what is the right path and where to go.
True.
So certain factors helped me, sir. The first and foremost was my mother.
Hmm.
I made a very conscious decision to stay at home and prepare via online mediums. So my mother was there with me, and she was always constant emotional support. She used to make these blanket statements that I am sure you're getting a top 10 rank. Take it in writing from me. So
That must have been a good pep talk.
she is very good at this. No? Even when someone says this with so much confidence, it gives you a lot of faith. So that really helped me throughout in preparation. Another thing, sir, was discipline. There are certain days when you don't feel like studying, when you're exhausted. So I made sure that I study every day. There were days when I could not give in that many hours. I studied only for 2 hours. But there was never a day when I did not pick a book. Even if it's for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, I will pick up a book, I will read something and break that inertia of that day.
True.
So motivation is fragile at times, but discipline is permanent.
Perfect. That is the crux of it.